Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate khajoor. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 25 to 30 soft, pitted dates, which are perfect for stuffing. Next, prepare 100 grams of good quality chocolate. Milk or dark works wonderfully. Don't forget 25 grams of your preferred nuts, such as almonds or pistachios, for a delightful crunch. Finally, a small amount of butter or coconut oil will help achieve a smooth chocolate coating. Now let's prepare our dates for filling. Carefully make a lengthwise slit in each date, ensuring you don't cut all the way through. Remove any pits you find. Then, take a whole almond or a small spoonful of chopped pistachios and carefully place it inside each date. Gently press the date back together to secure the filling. This step ensures every bite is a delightful surprise. Next, it's time for the chocolate coating. Melt your 100 grams of chocolate using a double boiler or in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring well. Stir in about 1 teaspoon of butter or coconut oil for a beautiful shine and smooth consistency. Carefully dip each filled date into the melted chocolate, ensuring it's fully coated. Use a fork to lift it out, letting any extra chocolate drip away. For the final touches, place your chocolate-coated dates onto parchment paper. If desired, sprinkle them with a pinch of chopped nuts or a tiny bit of sea salt while the chocolate is still wet. Let them set completely at room temperature for about 30 minutes or in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Once firm, store your delicious chocolate khajoor in an airtight container. They will stay fresh and delightful for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.